This lesson deals with closing a conversation and saying goodbye. There are different ways of dealing with this in different languages, and it's very seldom taught in textbooks. So many language learners experience difficulty with it at one time or another. Of course, at the very end, we often use an expression like see ya or bye, but at times this can sound abrupt or even rude. Instead, we can use a pair of expressions, like in the following examples. But often, goodbyes are much longer. You need to come to an agreement with the person that you're talking to that the conversation is finishing. This often takes a few turns. There are a variety of strategies we can use to close a conversation. These may include often we use two or even more of these strategies together, such as let's look again at the strategies we've discussed. Watch the following videos and see which strategies the speakers used.
Well, hey, I better go to class.
Yeah, it's nice to see you.
Yeah.
Okay, see you.
Bye. Let's do this again sometime.
Yeah, it's been nice chatting.
Yeah, thanks.
All right then.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Right, then I'd better let you go.
Yeah, I better get back to it.
Yeah, all right.
Okay,
See ya.
bye.
Okay, well, I'd better dash.
All right then.
See you Tuesday.
Okay then.
Cheers.
Bye.
Great.
Okay,
Okay.
well, good talking.
Yeah, nice to see you.
Bye.
Bye.
I hope this has been useful. Remember, these are not the only ways to close a conversation. There are a few more. There are also other complexities, such as when one person starts a new conversation topic. But we'll look at those another time. This is the final video in our series on pragmatics. Remember, watch our other video lessons on our Chasing Time English TV channel, and don't forget to visit our website, chasingtimeenglish.com. We'll see you next time.